Some of the things that appears hard in life are actually very simple, and making money is one of them. That's why they say information is power. Now, without wasting time, let's jump into the 5 ways to attract money naturally. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so as we proceed. Way number 1. Concentrate on what you have right now. Many people baptize themselves with the feeling of what they don't have or what they have lost. Now, this unproductive kind of thinking attracts negativity. In other words, it repels positivity, which affects your happiness. And when you are not happy, you don't think straight. So focus on all that you have right now and be grateful. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is not here yet. Stop using the phrase, I can't. You cannot attract wealth or other positive things into your life when your thoughts is occupied with the words, I can't. End the excuses of what you cannot do and begin to use the words, I can. Stop being jealous. When you are jealous of another person's worldly possessions, you will lack concentration and joy, meaning that you are occupying your mind with an illusion. Just because someone is driving an expensive car does not mean they necessarily have money or that they are rich. Jealousy messes your mind up. Respect the power of money. When you disrespect money, you disrespect yourself. Respecting money means pointing it to the right direction. It means being careful with it because money holds both restorative and destructive powers, and that is not to be taken lightly. Now, money, when managed properly, has the power to grow and take care of you for many years to come. When disrespected, it could destroy you. Clear negativity energy. Embrace the simple things and fill yourself with peace, even while you attract good things your way. If you find this video interesting, comment, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell so that you can get notified when we upload another video. Thanks, and bye for now.